Hi, in this image that was prepared for a digital display, I'd like to demonstrate how we could take advantage of this strong line of the neck of the giraffe and make our text follow that line using a shape or a path. Alright, here we have the image without any text, and let's show you how to do this. So one thing I can do is I can create a shape. Let's come down here to the shape tool, and I'll just pick a rectangle. And so I can draw an area where I'd like that text to be. But then I can grab this tool right here, the direct selection tool, and I can click on any of the corners, and if I hold my command key down, I can actually move that corner around, and that will turn a live shape into a regular path, and that's okay. So now I have the area I want my text to be in. I can come up here and I can turn off the border, and I can also turn off the fill. Alright, but that shape is still there. And so I can grab my text tool and come into the paths menu and click on that, and you'll notice that when I'm outside of the shape, my cursor is a regular text cursor. If I get right on the edge of the shape, it turns into a type along the path tool. So here I can come in, let me just paste some lorem ipsum into it, and it'll follow around that path. I'm going to undo that and escape. If I come on the inside of the shape, I can click, set my justification to the right side there, pick my font, and pick the size, and again, rather than typing, I'll just paste some text in, and you'll see that that goes inside that shape. Now, to type on the inside, it does have to be a shape, not just a path. If you're typing along a path, you can do it either as a shape or a path. But that's one way you can make a piece of text follow along on a path, alright, or inside a shape. Now I'm going to get rid of this, and let me show you another quick way. I can use my pen tool and make sure that it says shape up here, and I can make any kind of a free-form shape that I want, and again I can turn off those. I can grab my text tool, come inside, and then make it fill that particular shape using just the pen tool. Hope that helps.